Okay, this is the Kawasaki Ninja ex500r. Got a problem with this, it's not coming on. Starter's fine. Starter is cranking, but it's not coming on. I'm losing power. Bike been sitting for a while. You see this oxidation? It's actually very new, fairly new. See the miles on it? Very low miles. It's been sitting in the garage, for a very long time, and it just, since it's been sitting, this is what it does, But if you look at all the components, all the internal components, everything's fairly new. It's just oxidation got a hold of it. But anyway, we took out the throttle body. Easy way to do that is to remove this top piece that goes here. Once you remove this piece, then this moves, so you can pull this back a little bit in order to get the throttle body in and out. And I removed the throttle body, took it upside down, okay, because upside down these are the floaters. You have to remove this pin that's in here. There's a pin in here. It comes out like so. See, there's the pin. You remove the pin. Make sure, see this stuff is your fuel deposit. That stuff is clogging your injection line. If you don't take it out, replace it, it's gonna just do that. Okay, all that deposit's going in. That's why it won't start. It's just sucking in dirt. Okay, put this pin here so we won't lose it. Then there's this screw. It's copper or brass. You don't want to fuck it up, so make sure you get a nice tight turn. I already loosened it. Nice tight turn. Boom. That's your, when you remove this, boom, inside there, that's the fuel injection needle. We're gonna take it out also. We flip it upside down. I just wanted to show you this is where the fuel is supposed to go through. So you can barely see any light through it. There's gunk in there. Then you remove this. We're gonna clean all this. Man, this is plastic, so you gotta be very careful. You break this shit, you're fucked. See, all that is deposit. All that we're gonna soak this motherfucker in gas, and we're gonna brush this stuff off with a toothbrush. Soft bristles. Then
Hey, you go to a lot of music concerts? I'm the guy on the sidewalk with the tickets. So let me tell you, when you provide my kind of special ticket service, it's getting tough out there. Excuse me. Hey, buddy, you need tickets?
Pepsi gave me free tickets.
Okay, right. See what I mean? Pepsi's got this pop-up in music with Pepsi deal. They're giving people the chance to win concert tickets every hour.
Oops. Okay, so we flip it upside down so you can see. You're gonna take this crap off. Damn, what happened to the light? Focus. Focus. Damn, it looks dark. Anyway, let's put it in the light. Alright. When you take this top plastic cover off, the springs are gonna come off. I'll show you that in another video. I don't like to make these things too long. Okay, so make sure you get your shit at Cycle Gear.
Using your reward card, and you'll be automatically entered. Look for the special Pepsi line in Marlo's display for more details. Pepsi, live for now. What's going on, everybody?